Hello guys, myself Aditya Kumawat, student of Jawaharlal Nehru Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, College of Agriculture, Rewa. Today, now I'm going to tell about the new seed policies in 1988 guided by Dr. R.P. Joshi sir. New Seed Policy 1988. The Government of India involved a new seed policy implemented from October 1, 1988. The government introduced a new comprehensive seed policy to boost the agriculture sector and empower farmers. The policy aimed of established quality standard, streamline distribution and faster innovation in seed production and developments. The policy laid special emphasis on import of high quality seed, a time bound program to modernize plant quarantine facilities, effective implementation of producer for quarantine post inter quarantine, incentive of increase the domestic industry import of quality seeds. Bulk import of seeds of Kore's cereals, pulses, and oilseed may displace the local productions. Transfer of technology may not be actual one because due to bulk import of seed or import of technology. Instant we can import the germplasm of superior variety if any and could be developed locally to meet the demand. As we have superior variety of international standard maize, sorghum, bajra, or even in oilseed like groundnut, etc. The bulk import is not necessitated instant. We need variety suitable of agroclimatic zone based higher yield. Import of flower seed could be encouraged in order to earn foreigner exchange through export of flowers, and it can be imported under open general license. Strengthening of quarantine. Since 1st October 1988, only bulk imports of seeds were undertaken without any process either in the strengthening of quarantine facility. Threats of pest and disease. Introduction of new pest and disease would pose a new problem due to bulk import due to lack of post entry quarantine. To avoid the threat, the imported seeds should be subjected to testing and it should be done by one person from ICAR. Entry of exotic variety without proper field testing may change the disease pattern if the particular strain is become su- uh, sustain- uh, susceptible to ex- exiting pathogens. Exercise kernel bunt, which was not noticed in the previous year, is not a major disease on wheat after the introduction of Kalyan Sona. Genetic erosion. If the another danger due to introduce of similar strength, there is a danger of genetic uniformity and elements local diversified strains which lead of problem of non availability of improved strains if there is any outbreak of disease. Incentive of domestic seed industry. Indigenous seed production seed industry will be affected because of the entry of multinational disease. Since the policy is allowing incriminated bulk imports through private sector at the same time, the import duty on seed has been reduced to 15%. Import duty on advanced machines and equipments used in the seed production of processing has also been reduced and increased on post. Continue. Income tax retable and deduction are available to the tax paying units on the revenue tribute or in-house research and development. Incentives are also being provided to seeds located in background area and growth centers. Application of biotechnology in agriculture. The multinational would prevent the third world countries in enjoying the full benefit of biotechnology. The bulk import of seed indicated accepting the monopoly rights and the limitation of potential biotechnology in agriculture. Thank you.